Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have a fun craft haul for you guys to have a look at and see what I had purchased from our Kmart department store here in Sydney. My Kmart department store is about half an hour away from where I live, so I thought I'd go in and have a look and see what they had in stock. They don't have a large craft section, but I was happy with what I picked up from there the other day. So this is what I picked up. I'll just put some of these to the side so we can start with this first. So I got this lovely planner. I like the pattern on the back of this as well. So in the front it's just like a nice soft peachy cream color with some black little square prints on the cover, and then on the inside there's some stickers. You get a paper clip, and I think it's a great fun little planner for me to use for this year. So I got that, and this was $8. I also got these lovely pens that they had in stock as well. So I had to get one of each. Couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I just grabbed one of each, and they were $3. This one here has a nice leaf print on the pen, and this one here has a nice gemstone on the top, which will look really nice in my planner or my travel notebook that I have. So I was happy with that purchase. And then they had these stack of washi tape, and I really like the colors on here. They're nice and soft colors, which will look great in my planner projects and some of my happy mail. And this is the other one. This is $3 I think, and you get 5 in this pack, and I think this one was $5. So there's quite a few in there. I also purchased a pack of these mini tassels, lovely colors. This was $3 a packet, so this will be another fun project to use. I also got some sticker sheets. You get 2 sheets in the pack, so this one here, and you get this one as well at the back. So nice soft colors. I also got a mini paper stack. I really like the pattern on this paper stack that they had. So I got 2 of them in case they sell out. At least I've got 2 to work with. They did have a couple of other paper stack patterns, but I didn't quite like the patterns that they had on those ones. But this is definitely a really pretty prints on this pack. So they were $4 a pack. And then these wood stamps. I think these are like with some emoji face stamps and some word stamps on that one. And this is just an alphabet wood stamp. I also got this wood stamp set as well. Where are we? I'm just trying to see where I am here. So that'd be great to play around with for my cards and my tags. And then I had some of you also ask me where I had purchased my this wood grain background that you see in my videos. This here is this vinyl, what do they call it? Adhesive vinyl. And I got this from Kmart as well. So it comes in a roll, and you just peel it off, and then you stick it onto a surface. So I just bought some, like an MDF, I think, from my hardware store, and then I just peeled it off and stuck it to the board. So that's the roll that I purchased, and then I also purchased this marble pattern one as well. So they were $3 each, and you get 2 meters in the roll. So for those that do live in Sydney, head to your Kmart store. They do sell these in all the Kmart stores. I have seen them. They do stock quite a few of them. So you can grab one of those from the department store there in their craft section or their stationery section. So I just wanted to share with you what I had purchased in my Kmart store, and I was very, very happy with what I'd purchased. Looking forward to making some projects with these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.